This is the authentic Ghanaian okra stew that you will love and the family will also love. Mama taught me this style and I'm going to teach you. So in a blender, I have my ingredients. I have onion, garlic, ginger, scallions, basilikum. So with all these, I'm going to add some small water to it and we are going to blend. So after blending, I divide it into two, one for the stew and also one for the seasoning of the meat. So let's go. Our meat is already washed and clean. You can use any protein or meat of your choice. So we add the blended mix to it, add some salt to taste and some water for it to do its work so that it will be cooked and nice. We move to the next stage. I have some palm oil in my pot. I go in with some sliced onion for flavor and then give it a good stir for about 3 to 4 minutes. And when it is done, I go in with my homemade salted beef. This took the stew to the next level. You can also add scented fish momone, is also good as well. And this is my blended mix. So I add it to it and give it a stir and allow it to cook for like 7 to 10 minutes and then we check on it again. So if you watched it this far, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not, and share this video too. Turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of my videos when I post one. So at this point, I check on the stew, it's cooking beautifully, and I go in with my fresh tomatoes blend. Okay, blended fresh tomatoes. I use only 2 medium size, and you can use tomato paste if you want, it's okay. And then allow it to cook on medium heat, not high, and also check on it from time to time. This is my okro. I'm adding some greens. This one is spinach. You can use any greens of your choice. And then I go in with water to cook it. This one is a kiln. You can use baking soda as well to achieve the sliminess of the okra. So after cooking for like 7 to 10 minutes, I came back and checked on it and then it was cooking beautifully. I give it a good stir and allow it to cook, but this time I'm not going to cover it so that I can have an eye on it and check it from time to time. And this is our stew cooking so beautifully. I give it a stir because we don't want it to get stuck to the pan. And also remember the heat, low medium heat. And at this point I'm adding my cooked meat and all the stock, okay, as well, so that it will give it that lightness for us to add our cooked okra to it. So after adding the meat, we are going to stir as well. And at this point, I'll use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos, liking, sharing, commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So look at the stew, it's cooking beautifully. And at this point, we go in with the cooked okra. And see, it's looking so nice. So we give it a quick stir, just little, and because it is already cooked, everything is good. We adjust for salt, so adjust for salt, okay, so that you will love it. And at this point, our okra stew is ready on a low medium heat. We don't need heat here because everything is ready. When the heat is too much, it will cut off the sliminess of the okra, and we don't want it. So here it is done, and we are going to enjoy with some banku. I enjoyed mine with banku. You can enjoy yours with any swallow, etel, eba, or anything, and it was tasting so good. So thank you so much for watching to this end. Give us a like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until I see you in the next one, stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.